In introduction, we talk about the general terms used in pharmacology. So firstly, the what is pharmacology? It is the science that deals with the effect of drug on living systems. Then what is drug? World Health Organization defines drug as any substance or product that is used or intended to be used to modify or explore physiological system or pathological states for the benefit of the recipients. Pharmacokinetics, it means the movement of drug within the body. It includes the process of absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion. It means what the body does to the drug. Pharmacodynamics, it is the study of drugs in their mechanism of action, pharmacological actions and their adverse effects. It covers all the aspect of the relating to the what the drug does to the body. Pharmacy, it is the branch of science that deals with the preparation, preservation, standardization, compounding, dispensing, and proper utilization of drugs. Therapeutics, it is the aspect of medicine concerned with the treatment of diseases. Chemotherapy, it deals with treatment of infectious disease or cancer with the chemical compound that cause relatively selective damage to the infecting organism or cancer cells. Toxicology, it is the study of poisons, their actions, detection, prevention, and treatment of poisoning. Clinical pharmacology, it is the systemic study of a drug in a man, both in healthy volunteers and in patients. It includes the evaluation of pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamic data, safety, efficacy, and adverse effect of the drug by comparative clinical trials. Essential medicines. According to WHO, essential medicines are those that satisfy the healthcare needs of majority of the population. They should be the assured quality, available at all times, in adequate quantities, and in appropriate dosage forms. They should be selected with regard to disease prevalence in a country, evidence on the safety and efficacy, and comparative cost effectiveness. The examples are iron and folic acid preparations for anemia of pregnancy, anti-tubercular drugs like isoniazid, rifampin, pyrazinamide, and ethambutol, etc. Orphan drugs, drugs that are used for diagnosis, treatment, or prevention of rare diseases. The expenses incurred during the development of manufacture and marketing of drug cannot be recovered by the pharmaceutical company from selling the drug. Example, digoxin antibody for digoxin toxicity, fomepizole for methyl alcohol poisoning, etc. Over the counter drugs, these drugs can be sold to a patient without the need for a doctor prescription. Example, paracetamol, antacids, etc. Prescription drugs, these drugs which can be obtained only upon producing the prescription of a registered medical practitioner. Examples, antibiotics, antipsychotics, etc.